Hey guys, so welcome back to All Things Flowers. So we're going to be having fun and designing 3 different arrangements. So let's get started. So all of these flowers were harvested from the garden, and then we made our own signature vase here. So I chose a white to highlight these beautiful purple lavender tones. It's such a beautiful luxury to be able to grow these beautiful flowers and to design the vase. I hope you guys had fun designing with me, and if you're in the Dallas, Texas area and would like fresh florals delivered to your home or office, check us out on allthingsflowers.shop. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, I'm wishing you peace, love, and flowers. See you in the next video.